Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Irish consumer confidence will be released at 23:01 GMT. Japan's large retailer sales at 23:50 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Nvidia's stock hit a record high, and the chipmaker reclaimed the crown as the world's most valuable company. The rise sent Nvidia's stock market value to $3.76 trillion, overtaking Microsoft. Gold prices were steady as market participants remained cautious ahead of key US economic data, while the ceasefire between Iran and Israel weighed on safe haven demand. Coinbase Global Stock extended its rally, setting a fresh 52-week high and coming within range of its record closing price from November 2021, as the broader digital asset industry followed Bitcoin's lead.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The last session saw the pound gain 0.3% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.